Hi guys, welcome back. Right, so in the post today I had arrived this old English padlock, silverline, 4 brass levers, forged steel shackle, and I thought I'd try and pick it open with Andy Max picking set. I've not picked many lever locks, so this, I don't know how well this is going to go. Let's get the keys off. See. Maybe I'll take one key off, it'll be easier. Okay. Firstly, it feels quite stiff. Why won't it lock? That's a good start. I can't even lock it back. Oh right, I've got to lift the shackle a little bit to lock it back up. Right, so which of these is going to fit? I think that fits. I think that one fits. I'm not sure. We'll try it. We'll see. Let's make sure I get this in the right way round. Is that the right way round? I think maybe that's the right way round. I'm probably not going to look as professional as Andy doing his picking, because he's quite the expert at picking lever locks. My battery is very low. The key doesn't fit very well, but never mind. I have to make that key a bit smaller. We'll try it and see what happens. Let's try a small lever. My battery is flashing at me. Will this fit? No. Have I got even one small enough to fit? If this one doesn't fit, I don't got one small enough. No. No. Okay, scrap that. I haven't got one small enough. Maybe I could make this one small enough. Okay. Can I do this very quickly? 3 minutes in and I'm gonna have to stop, guys. See you later. Okay, eyes open, wide awake, back in the room. Sorry guys, I had to stop the video because I didn't have a pick that was small enough to fit in the lock. So I cut one down that I've made. This wire is quite thick. I hope it's going to work. We will see. I'm still a bit fingers and thumbs with these things, but we'll see how. Put that there, I guess. Let's have a feel. If I can do it. I felt a little movement then. Not sure how much tension I'm supposed to put on the shackle. Got it. Yeah, okay, that was pretty goddamn easy. And I think I've got it all stuck in there. I think it's actually stuck. Can I get it to go all the way around and get it out? Okay, this is a new experience, getting it stuck in there afterwards. I'll mess about. Oh, yeah, here we go, got it. Okay, there we go, I got it open. Yeah, that wasn't too hard. A lot easier than I would think, but you know, we got to start somewhere. So that's a 4 lever silverline picked. Alright guys, I'll see you later. Thanks.